Hi, I'm Bea from nimble.handmade. I'm coming to you from Belgium and I invite you to come with me on my adventures in Yarny Land. So first of all, I want to wish you all the best for 2024. I'm recording this at the end of 2023, but it's a vlog containing a lot of good intentions for the next year. So that's what I would like to talk to you about in this vlog. And of course, a bunch of other things, all yarn related, all knitting or crochet related stuff, which is my passion, and I hope it is yours too. Um, I'm not a native speaker, not a native English speaker. I hope you pardon me for any mistakes I make. Um, and I'm coming to you from Belgium. We live near Mechelen, which is in the middle between Antwerp and Brussels. So it's the tiny, tiny country of Belgium in the middle of Europe. Um, I live here with my husband and son and our cat, um, and I want to take you on an adventure in Yarny Land. So please do come with me. I have set some good intentions for 2024. I don't know if you have, but if you have, you can always leave them in the comment because I'm very curious what are other people's good intentions are for this year. Mine are all about a 3 kilometer challenge. 3 kilometers because I want to move around a little more. We have started walking in the COVID pandemic and we haven't stopped, but we don't walk that much anymore. So I would like to go for a walk every day, 5 days of the week for 3 kilometers at a time. So that's my goal when it comes to 3 kilometers of walking. The other goal I have is to use up 3 kilometers of yarn. And the yarn I chose for that is a very big box. It's the Scrumptious box by Skepius. I'm going to show you. It's this box, and there are 2 layers of yarn inside. So I have the one layer I have in here, and then the other layer I have put in the top of the box, and it's this one. As you can see, these are fantastic colors. It's a yarn. I'm just gonna pick a ball of yarn. It's a yarn that is created by Skepius. It's called Scrumptious, and it's a yarn consisting of 50% polyester that is recycled from plastic bottles and 50% acrylic. It comes in a variation of colors, and that's what attracted me so much. I don't think the yarn, I don't like to use acrylic yarn or synthetic yarn for clothing, like a cardigan or anything. But I do like to to use it for accessories, such as a shawl or hats, or all things that you can use around the home that can be created with yarn, which is a lot, I can tell you. So my goal is to use up this entire box and to share all the patterns with you for free on my blog. You can subscribe to the newsletter and then you will get notified when a new vlog comes, a new vlog and a new blog post comes up. It will contain the patterns for everything I make with the Scrumptious box. It really is a very nice box, And all the names that are given to the yarn are names of pies and desserts, and they sound delicious except for some, and I have no idea what they are. They have something called charcoal ice cream, which sounds kind of scary to me, and grasshopper pie, which is even more unlikely that I would like to eat that. So I'm gonna find out what all these are in the during the time that I start making with this. Um, on the scapeus.com site, you can already find 2 blankets that are made with the scrumptious yarn. So I'm thinking of making a blanket as well to use up to use the entirety of the colors, and then of course some other projects, because you will have a lot left. 3 kilometers of yarn is quite a lot to use up, and certainly in a blanket. I think that will be a very big blanket. So, but that's what's coming up. That's my good intention as when it comes to yarn. So that's it for my first vlog or Yarny Tale. I do hope you enjoyed yourself watching this. I do hope you subscribe so that you get notified whenever a new vlog comes out, and I wish you all the best. See you next time. Bye!